So I'm going to be doing something I have never done before on this channel or anywhere else for that matter. I've posted something similar on my Instagram and TikTok. If you're not following me, I'm going to be leaving the links for these pages in the description box, and we'll also do check it out. So what I'm going to be doing is challenging myself to post every day on YouTube for the next 30 days. I know that is a huge challenge. Now, when I say 30 days on YouTube, posting, I mean long form videos, just YouTube shorts. I'm going to be posting shorts as well, but 30 days of posting long form videos every day on YouTube for the next 30 days. So this is day one. This is the intro video of how it's going to be going, what this channel is going to be about. So far I've been doing a lot of like DIY to sewing tutorial because I'm learning how to sew, and what I find is there are different channels on YouTube that I would pick up a sewing. So if I'm like learning how to make a shirt, there's so many different people you watch on YouTube and they have like different ways of doing it. So what I've been doing over the last few months is I would try all the styles, see which one works best for me, and then I would create a sewing video on that style because I've learned it and it works and all of those nice things. So just documenting my sewing journey, learning process. So that's what I've been doing over time. So from the videos you've been seeing on the channel so far, the sewing videos, and have been making series of things. So what I'm trying to do is to actually see that I am actually knowing what I'm doing. So I made this skirt over the weekend. So it's this long trumpet mermaid skirt, and then a corset top for someone obviously not my size because it's really small. So styles like this are things I have been learning over time. And then if you're following this page for a while, you know I post things relating to M.A.Dkollection clothing brand. So I do all the packing and try on hauls, content creation, and all of those things for M.A.Dkollection. So if you've been following this page for a while, you'd see that I do quite a lot of those things. So to add to that, I'm going to do like styling videos and pieces I already have for M.A.Dkollection. I'll do some styling videos for it, and then I would do like small business hacks or small business growth strategies and all of those things. I've been running a business for a few years now, and I think I've learned a few things enough to be able to share to people, and what works, what has worked for me, what is not working, and all of those things. So those are things I also post on this video, on this channel. So DIY, small business hacks, styling videos, because if you get a piece, I mean, you need to know how to style it, and that's not something everybody is able to do. It doesn't come natural to everyone. So I'm going to do some styling videos, and then when we drop a new collection on like the M.A.Dkollection website, M.A.Dkollection.com, I'll leave that one on the screen. I would do like a try on haul for some of those things. So that's what we've been doing on this page over the last few months. But for the next 30 days, the two major things I'm going to be focusing on, or three major things I'm going to be focusing on, is I'm going to be doing a lot of DIYs, at least 20 videos of DIYs. So far I have prepared 8 DIY videos, which is good. And then we also do podcast on this channel, so there is like a podcast section on this channel. So I'm going to be posting some podcasts from previous guests we've had that we have not managed to post yet. So one of them is going to coming out on Wednesday, the 3rd of June. So yeah, stay tuned for when that comes out. And then the next major thing we're going to be doing apart from DIY, talking small business growth as usual. So that's something that is going to be steady, constant on this channel, because if whatever I have learned and I'm sharing just makes it easy so that someone doesn't have to make the same mistakes, or you're able to navigate your small business journey easier, and all of those nice things that comes with running a business or being self-employed or being an entrepreneur, whichever option you fall into. And then the last thing is going to be styling videos, and yes, styling videos and try on hauls. So I'm going to be doing those 3 things are what I'm going to be majoring on in the next 30 days. There'll be more DIY videos, like I've said before, and then there'll be small business tips, tricks, hacks videos as well, 1 or 2 podcasts, and then styling videos. I'm going to be posting on this main channel and also on YouTube Shorts. So hopefully, wish me luck. that I'm able to get through to the end of the 30 days. And if I do, I'm going to be celebrating this journey for real, because this is going to be like a huge task and a huge milestone, and I really, really want to see it all the way through. So without saying too much, let's get into the journey. So today's day 1, and I'll see you guys in day 2. Take care. Bye.